Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. And for all of you that are new here, because there is a lot of you, my name is Kat and welcome to my channel. I am a wife, mom of 3, and hairstylist from Ontario, Canada. And on this channel is where you are going to find all the cleaning motivation you need to tackle any chore on that to-do list. I wanted to start off by saying thank you all so much for showing me so much love and support. I love interacting with you. I think it is so cool where all of you guys are watching from, and it warms my heart, so thank you. Can you guys believe that it is the week of Christmas? My goodness, guys, are you finished your Christmas shopping? Let me know in the comments below if you're done. If you still have stuff to do, I am so thankful that my shopping is done. I have a couple things left to wrap, but that is it. And here in Ontario, Canada, on Christmas Eve, we are going into a province-wide lockdown, so the next 3 days are going to be absolutely crazy around here, and I am so thankful I don't have to go anywhere. Mind you, I do have the salon in my home and a hairstylist in December before Christmas. Especially in a pandemic, before a lockdown, I am going crazy, guys. But in today's video, I'm going to be starting off here in the kitchen, getting it all cleaned up, making my way into the living room, and finishing off in that dreaded toy room. However, I did recruit 3 little helpers, 2 little helpers and 1 not so little helper to give me a hand so I could get that room done quick and easy before bedtime. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already, and I hope you guys enjoy today's video.
These ocean waves.
I actually filmed this video, guys, on a Thursday, which means it was a Station 19 day as well as Grey's Anatomy. Let me know in the comments if you watch either or show. I'm getting hooked. I wasn't really a Station 19 fan until they started kind of coinciding with Grey's Anatomy, and now I am hooked. And if you watched this past week's episode, oh my gosh, guys, it was pretty intense. So while I was washing these dishes, that's what I was doing. I had my headphones in my ear and I was just cleaning.
Rather than stay, make a new life with you. This must be fate, must be a sign. So lost here, lost forever. Love being stuck here with you. Here with you. Here with you. We don't have to go back to what we used to. Let's get lost out here. No one else out here. Find ourselves out here. We could disappear into this atmosphere where this water's clear. Yeah. We don't have to go back to what we used to. Rather just stay, make a new life with you. Must be fate, must be a sign. This must be fate, must be a sign. So lost here.
funny to see that mannequin head on my table there? That is actually a mannequin head which you used to practice on when you were in hair school, and the girls have been literally coloring all over their Barbies. So I thought the other day, I'm pretty sure I have some mannequin heads laying around. So I went downstairs and long behold, I had a couple. They have been playing with them nonstop, but looking at it there, it looks really creepy. Check up on my daily stories, and when Christmas comes around, you'll be able to see my new present that I cannot even wait for. Such a good feeling when you see the messiest room ever finally come together. When this was happening, I was getting so excited. I was literally minutes away from being finished, getting these kids into bed and sitting down and relaxing and enjoying my Grays day. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It has been so much fun cleaning along with you. I hope you guys enjoyed the music and you stopped to have a little dance. I am so thankful for these 3 kids here that helped me out. Without them, it would have taken so much longer. And to finish off the video, I have nothing else but to do but vacuum. It is my favorite thing to do, and it just finishes off the area with like complete perfection. Guys, what a difference an hour can make. When I checked the filming time of this video, it was actually 70 minutes, so just over an hour, and I got so much stuff done. It feels so good to have a clean space, and there is nothing that feels better than waking up to a clean space. I sure did flip this place right side up after it was completely flipped upside down. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to let me know in the comments where you are from. If you are new here, give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time.